how to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you not only how to hide apps, but also where to find and unhide hidden apps on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to hide an app on our iPhone, we just need to long press it. And this could be either on your home screen or if you swipe from right to left in the app library here. So find the app that you want to hide, long press it, and then just look for require passcode or require Face ID, something like that. Select that and then just choose hide and require passcode. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to verify either using Face ID or your passcode so that you can hide that app. It'll then tell you what that means. So you can read through this and get more information, but you won't get any notifications and you won't be able to find it in the list of apps. So select hide app, it'll remove it from your home screen. And now to unhide any apps on our iPhone and find any hidden apps, all we need to do is swipe from right to left until you get to the app library and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see a hidden section. Select that, then unlock your phone either using the passcode or Face ID. Once you do that, you'll see the apps that are hidden be revealed, and from there you can open up those apps and it may ask you again to go ahead and unlock again. So once you do that, it'll allow you to use the app and you have now unhidden the app. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.